Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Madan Pradhan. I am an IT student at Southern Cross University. Currently, I'm enrolled in the Chrome 3 session of my units. So, this is my ID. Yet I haven't received my student ID yet, but I'll be getting it in the future. So, today in this video, I'd like to talk about my second assessment of the programming unit. My second assessment is about the game which I built by myself using the Greenfoot software. It's like a Java software. So in this video, I like to talk about the codings and the different actors, classes, and the main characters that I have used uh, in this game, which is built by myself. So let's start my projects uh, and the codes and the different things that I used while making this game. So let's start it. To start my project. So when I open this, you see the different different snakes and one frogs and five insects. So basically there are three main character actors. It's like a snake, frog, and insect. Among this, snake is like a enemy. It's the strongest character here, and the frog is like a hero, uh, and it has only a single character. And there are insect, which have five characters. There are, I think, is five insects, one frog, and two snake. So these games have different codings and different use of different sounds and displays it goes through. So uh, here the snake will be searching for the frogs and the frog is searching for the insects. So basically, when the game starts, the frog searches for and collects the insect, whereas snake searches for the frogs. So when the frogs collects all the five insects, uh, it is coded like that. When the frog starts collecting the insect, when it finishes collecting the five insects, the game is over, like you win the game. But when the snake touches the frog, the game will be ended. Like we have to escape from touching the snake, and there's a timer and the counter, and the counter on the left top of corner, there's a counter. It counts the insect whenever you touch it, collects the insect. So there are five insects. When you collect each and one, the counter counts it. So, and there's a timer when you start playing the games. There's a timer of 20 seconds. That means we have to complete the games in the in between 20 seconds. So when you fail to collect the insects, or we get touched, or we get failed to collect the insect within 20 seconds, the game will be over and ended. And so this like the and so this is the coding that I have done in it. And there are different sounds that I have used by myself. While the frog catches the insects, there's a different sound, and when the snake touches the frog, there's a different sounds. And when you just lose when the game is over, there's a different sound. So so let's get started and let you know what I have made throughout this game. So for the first, let's just start the game. So let's run. So when I press the run button, everything moves like so. When I touches the X like this, so there's a different sound. So let's collect the insects. We have to be very careful by not touching the snake. So when we touch it, you are dead. So let me start it again and collect the every insect. So let's play again. It's like this. So have to be playing like the snake will be searching for us, searching the frog. So we have to go down, down, down. Yeah. So we have to be careful when I touch the snake. Yeah. Like the victory will be displayed. So we have to be careful about the time because I have it only the 5 seconds left. If I didn't complete in the 5 seconds, the game will be over itself. Just let's see that too. So the second step like the sound that is produced when the snake touches the frog. So let's see the sounds. So when I collect the insects and the snake touches me like this is the sound that I have made that I have inserted by myself when the snake touches the frogs. So uh, there's a counter that counts like just like this. The CR of counter counts. So when I yeah when I touch one insect, it's like a one. When I touch the second insect, it's two, three, and just thinking about the time, just see the time. Yeah, just 10. When it takes 10 seconds, when I complete in 10 seconds, the game itself will be over. Like the insect is the hard stage, like the snake is covering it up. So when I didn't touches the collects the 5 insects, the game will itself be over. Thinking about the time.
Ding 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 ding.
This is the sounds like the games will be over if I didn't make sure touches the every or collects the every insects. So well, this is the game that I have created using the Greenfoot software, using the different characters like frog, insect, and snake. So these are the three main characters. Well, snake is like the strongest one, and the frog is like a hero that that runs away from touching the snakes and collects the runs away touching the snake and collects the insect. So yeah, so the game is in module. Whenever the snake touches the frog or frog touches the insect, there is a different sounds and the different later text will arrive like you win or your game ended or you like a you victory. Yeah, so this is the game that I created using Greenfoot using different codings. So yeah, this is my second assessment from the programming unit. So thank you for watching this video.